outside, not here.
Absolutely. Love Bart Starr. 15 below zero when they were playing that game. He's a man.
He knows cold.
Yeah, and he is still one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. And we've got a cold stretch of weather headed our way as well. Maybe not 15 below zero, but you're certainly going to know that this is the coldest air we'll have seen all season. First off, let's start with what's happening tonight into early tomorrow morning. Grab the jacket. You'll need it again. And tomorrow, all of us should get down to or just below freezing. As we start our day, there will be plenty of clear skies as well as sunshine. Speaking of clear skies, we've got that now. Gorgeous shot over downtown Birmingham tonight from our Storm Track Tower camera. 38 degrees. Now, the winds have subsided some, but not as much as it could. We're actually looking at a north-northwest wind at 12 with a dew point of 20. That means the air is very dry, so it feels colder when the wind's blowing. Believe it or not, the moisture amount in the atmosphere has a lot to do with what the actual air temperature is versus the feels like temperature or the wind chill. Right now it's 38 for Birmingham, but it's 34 now in Coleman, Jasper, Hamilton. You're at 34. Tuscaloosa, you're at 37 along with Talladega. We're looking at mid-30s now around Gadsden, and it's 40 degrees now in Anniston. The wind chills, though, this is a little different story. Tomorrow morning, it's not necessarily going to be that breezy, but we will have at least some spots where the temperatures are a few degrees colder. So make sure that the kids are covered up pretty well with hat and gloves especially. But right now it feels like 31 for Hamilton, 27 in Coleman. And as I mentioned, we're looking at upper 20s, low 30s around Birmingham, down through Shelby County into Pelham, Alabaster, and Helena. There's no rain across Alabama or much of the southeast for that matter. A little bit of snow this evening through the Smokies and back into western North Carolina and the Appalachians. But all of the rain that was actually the severe weather for us earlier in the week, that is now well to the east of us. And as we go through the course of the night tonight, there's just not much cloud cover to speak of. It's all been shifting off towards the east. So now that cold, dense air continues to pour into western Tennessee, northern Mississippi, as well as Alabama. And as it does, that will help push our temperatures down into the upper 20s later tonight. But I did want to show you our color contour map. And again, the lighter blue and darker blue is where we're looking at anywhere from 20 to 40 degrees. As we go through our day tomorrow, we don't warm up a whole lot. We actually get into the upper 40s and low 50s, but I did want to point out that to the north of us, there is a chunk of much colder air, which is over Canada right now. Now, it will be making its move towards the south and east, and once it does get here, that's when we'll see the chance of a few snow showers or flurries. Not necessarily looking at a whole lot in the way of snow potential, but this is our Storm Track Futurecast. You get the idea. It will be like this for the next several days. A few high clouds will pass from time to time, but those will not amount to any precipitation. We will stay dry. Temperatures through the weekend, mid-50s, overnight lows into the upper 20s, low 30s. Chance of a few showers by Monday, late in the day, Monday night, and Tuesday is when we'll see the rain changing over to snow. I don't see any accumulations at this point. We'll watch it and see if there's enough moisture, but check it out. Mid-30s, maybe even colder for highs, lows down into the teens. Wind chills, single digits. Welcome to winter.